Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if your Instagram app doesn't work on your iPhone. That is, it just doesn't open, crashes, and you don't know what to do with it. How can you fix it? The most correct and the most working way in this situation is to simply select Instagram and delete it. That is, you delete your Instagram application, thus you remove all the errors that could be there. This is the way to really advise you to simply delete Instagram and then download it again from App Store. That is nothing complicated. If this method did not help you, you will need to go into the settings of your iPhone after you are here, Item, General, then click on the item iPhone Storage. Here you can select size or name to find Instagram, open, and you can also just reboot your device. To do this, you select your iPhone, press the off button, press the up button, and wait for a while and press Slady to power off. Turn the phone off and turn it on again, then your device completely reboots, and maybe this will help you. But look, there is another failure. It's just a failure in Instagram. Maybe Instagram doesn't work for anyone because there's a massive failure and there's no way to help you. It happens in Instagram, like all applications have massive failures. So you just have to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe an hour tops, and then your Instagram will work and you can use it. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.